the chat. This is the ChatGPT, and as you know, the ChatGPT allows us to, or anyone, to create his or her own ChatGPT. They call it customized ChatGPT. So you can create your own ChatGPT. This is the one I created, and here the idea of creating your own ChatGPT is to train it and feed it on whatever you want. So that would be like a specialized ChatGPT for a specific purpose. Here I did my best training and feeding my ChatGPT with different subjects, different elements, different type of information, so I can get the best of what can ChatGPT give us. One of the things that we're talking about today is serials cataloging. So this is only one of the ways if we want to try artificial intelligence and natural language processing in terms of cataloging. So one of the files that I trained my ChatGPT on is serials cataloging, and actually what I did here, as you can see on this file, let me enlarge the screen. This is actually the cancer cataloging manual. This is the whole cancer catalog manual, the updated one as much as possible with the RDA cataloging. So I uploaded here the manual, but because it's a kind of a large manual, so it should be first of all compressed into a zip file. And then when I uploaded this to my ChatGPT, I extracted the file or the files again and started training and feeding my ChatGPT with what is serial cataloging, what are the different cases we are facing when we deal with serials, going through all the problems as much as possible and what is mentioned in the cancer cataloging manual. And this is, of course, is a very long process, because even if the ChatGPT can read and extract the whole manual, the cancer cataloging manual, but it also need actually a matter of time to if you want to make sure that it's getting the information or the available information you're giving to ChatGPT. So this is one of the things I trained my ChatGPT on. And if we went back here, I will start asking it so I'm asking my ChatGPT, based on the file I trained you on, regarding serials cataloging, give me a March 21 bibliographic record for the serial. I am going to upload now. So I'm going now to upload one of the issues, the whole issue, for one of the serials, and see what ChatGPT can do based on the training that I give it. So it's asking me or telling me, please upload the serial you would like me to catalog. So here we go. So it's telling me that based on the serial provided, here is the Mark 21 bibliographic record for Journal of the Medical Library Association, which I just uploaded now. It's only one issue that I just uploaded. Volume 112, number 4, October 2024. And here the ChatGPT is trying to give me a Mark 21 record for this serial title based on one issue. So first of all, give me the leader, which is 000 in Mark 21 bibliographic record, and then 001, and it is telling me that this is a unique control number, and then 005, 008, and it's not giving me everything here because it didn't give me the country code or the state code. And the 022, and it extracted from the file I just uploaded. And this is the ISSN for the online version of this title. And then the 040, and it is telling me that this is the Mark 21 field for cataloging agency code. And it gave me subfield B, and it didn't give me subfield E for RDA. And then in 245, it gave me the title, first indicator 0, second indicator 0, subfield A, Journal of the Medical Library Association. And then in subfield N, it registered or recorded volume 112, all the designation, which actually we don't do when we catalog a serial. But let's see what it added also here. It added subfield N as a number. And then 264, second indicator 1, which is correct. Subfield A, and it didn't give the place of publication, but it captured the publisher, which is the Medical Library Association, as you can see here, and date of publication, which it should be mentioned if we have the first issue in hand, but here it recorded the date of publication for this issue. So, and then 336, 337, 338, and it's considered that this serial title is an online serial title or an online version for this title. And then 362, first indicator 1, second indicator blank, and began with volume V dots, not volume, so it abbreviated volume and also abbreviated number. If the designation was mentioned like that on the issue itself, so this is correct. Began with volume 112, number 4, October 2024, and then it started to give us the notes, starting with 500 node, includes article on topics such as, and then 520 as a summary, the Journal of the Medical Library Association, publish research, case reports, and discussions relevant to medical librarianship. 650s Library of Congress subject headings. The first one was medical libraries, Suffield v. periodicals. The second one, library science, and subdivision research, and the fourth subdivision at the end, periodicals. And also it gave me here the 710, second indicator, first indicator 2, second indicator blank, and Suffield A, Medical Library Association, and it didn't add Suffield E as an issuing body. 856, which is the URL for this journal, and 856, another one, which is the DOI identifier. So it gave me something, but what I always had as a result is, with everything, including serial cataloging, is that we have to go and review and check the result we're having. So if this is something related to someone who is learning serial cataloging or new in cataloging, especially serials, so this is something we cannot rely on, because he have to ask an expert. So what I see is like a kind of balance. This can be kind of brainstorming, giving a new cataloger an idea what is a Mark 21 looks like, what is a Mark 21 bibliographic record for a serial looks like, and also train the new cataloger step by step, going through this record for, as an example, showing the new cataloger what is wrong, what is missing here, and telling the new catalogers what can we do to fix this, and give all the information based on RDA cataloging rules regarding serial cataloging, and also in Mark 21 format. So this is one of the things that we can, like I said at the beginning, this is an assisting perspective, or this is one of the things that we can use ChatGPT in serial cataloging, use it as an assistant. Do not rely on ChatGPT when doing cataloging, especially for serials. The other thing here is I will try based on what the training was regarding serials cataloging, also asking my ChatGPT some questions related to cataloging, RDA rules, what to do if we are missing, for example, the title page and cover of issue in hand while cataloging a new serial title. And let's see the answer here, or what ChatGPT is going to give us. So it's telling me when cataloging a new serial title and the title page and the cover of the issue in hand are missing, catalogers should follow these steps to create an accurate and reliable Mark 21 record as per RDA and general cataloging practices. So first thing, examine internal evidence, look for alternative sources within the issue, which is correct, information about the title, volume, issue number, publisher, and date may appear on other pages, such as masthead, running headers or footers, editorial pages or colophons that provide publication details. Use these internal sources as the basis for the bibliographic description. Second thing we can do based on ChatGPT reply, supply missing information in square brackets, which is correct, and so on, and it's giving me an example. The third point is, or the third solution, create a note explaining the source of information. Use a 500 field to record where the information was found. Example, 500, title from masthead, which is correct. 500, another example, volume number from running title on page 2. This one is a matter of discussion. And fourth solution is consult, fourth step is consult external sources like library databases or WorldCat, for example, publisher's website, or of course, digital archives of the journal, and so on. So I just wanted to show you how can we use the good part of what we are not getting from or out of ChatGPT. But like I said, this is only one tool of the AI or natural language processing that we can use regarding libraries and library process and especially cataloging. So thank you, and happy to get any questions if so.
Okay. Thank you very much. There is a
Thank you.
question. Is it possible to load 2 issues, the oldest and newest you have available?
Yes, of course. I can upload as much as possible. I mean, with a limit, a size limit. But yes, I can upload more than one issue. Yeah.
Okay, great. Well, thank you. Thank you very much. We're going to go to our next panelist. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I didn't realize you could do that with chat. GPT is a wonderful session. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hi there. Give me a second to share my screen.
Yes. Yeah. If you can stop sharing your screen.
I think I can replace his. Hold on.
You can? Okay, great. Thank you very much.
Okay.
All
so
right.
everybody,
Yep.
is that correct?
Yeah, you got it. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thanks so much.
All right. Well, hi, everybody. Happy early Halloween. My presentation is going to be a little Halloween themed because I could not resist doing that. I'm Leanne Martin. I'm from University of Richmond's Boatwright Memorial Library. I'm here to talk today about a process I developed